Understanding the question is a key part of keeping the conversation going in any language, and Irish is no different. So with that in mind, in this video I'm going to go through a number of questions in the Irish language so you can know what you're being asked, and so you can use these questions in your own conversations as well. But first of all, let's start off with some very important basics. Caird means what? Cod can also mean what? Cathain can mean what as well, but it could also double up as which. Cá means where. Cá. Cé means who. Cathain means when. Cé how much. Cé Conas means how, like conas atá tú, how are you. Cén fá then means why. Cén fá. Let's look at some useful and very convenient questions now that you could be asked and that you could ask others. Caird atá ort. That means what's up, what's happening, or what's come over you. Caird atá ort. Cad is anam dit. What is your name? Cad is anam dit. Cad ostit. Where are you from? Cad ostit. Cá will she? Where is she? Cá will she. Cén taum é? What time is it? Cén taum é. Cén ishu? What age are you? Cén ishu. Cathain a chunig tú í. When did you see her? Cathain a chunig tú í. Cé bheith daoine atá ina gcónaí ann. How many people are living there? Cé bheith daoine atá ina gcónaí ann. Not all questions in the Irish language begin with the letter C. As you've seen so far in this video, we've had cod and cane and cé bheith and so on. But here's some questions now that don't begin with the letter C. Inistum, for example, means tell me or explain to me. Inistum. Inistum faoi de chláin. Tell me about your family. Inistum faoi de chláin. Déan cur síos means describe or explain. Déan cur síos. Déan cur síos ar de theach féin. Describe your own house or tell me about your own house. Déan cur síos ar de theach féin. An ma leat é. Do you like it? An ma leat é. So that's a handy question you can use in so many different scenarios. An ma leat é. Ar bha leat teacht. Would you like to come? Ar bha leat teacht. If you enjoyed this video and you found this topic particularly useful, please give it a thumbs up. And I'd like to say a special thank you to all my patrons who you'll see listed on screen here now. I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much. If you would like to donate from as little as €3 a month, and you can adjust that amount if you wish, I will leave links in the description and the first pinned comment. Thanks again. So, thank you for watching. Agus slán go fóill.